drown. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong, feeling like I don't belong.